In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription. You can do this on any device, your PC, iPhone, Android phone, Windows computer, Mac, or even Linux. It works the same way. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 and press enter. From the search results, open the official Microsoft 365 website. Make sure you open the main Microsoft 365 page, not the Copilot page. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. Now, enter your Microsoft account details and sign in. After signing in, go to the subscription section. Here, you'll see your current subscription details, including whether you're on a monthly or yearly plan. In my case, the subscription is already expired. To continue, click on Manage. On the next page, find and click on Cancel Subscription. Microsoft will show you the benefits you'll lose if you cancel. Scroll down carefully. You may also see offers to change your subscription plan, including discounted options that are not listed on the main product page. If you're sure you want to cancel, scroll down a bit further. You'll see the Cancel Subscription button again. Click on it. And that's it. Your Microsoft 365 subscription has now been successfully canceled. If you ever decide to subscribe again, simply return to the subscriptions page and click on Resubscribe. Then choose your preferred plan and complete the process. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.